Tired of fumbling for cash or swiping your card endlessly? Want a smoother, faster way to pay for your favorite things? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Favepay, a revolutionary app that's changing the way we spend. Imagine walking into your favorite cafe, ordering your usual latte, and simply tapping your phone against a reader to pay. No more digging through your wallet, no more waiting for change. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, with Favepay, it's reality. Favepay is a mobile wallet that allows you to store your cards, make seamless payments, and even earn rewards. It's like having all your payment options in one convenient place, right at your fingertips. So, how exactly does it work? Let's break it down. 1. Download the app. First things first, download the Favepay app from your App Store or Google Play Store. 2. Create an account. Sign up for an account by entering your phone number and following the on-screen instructions. 3. Add your cards, link your credit cards, debit cards, and even loyalty cards to your Favepay wallet. 4. Start paying. Now, the fun begins. There are a few ways to pay with Favepay. 1. QR code scanning. Simply open the Favepay app, scan the QR code displayed at the merchant, enter the amount, and confirm the payment. 2. Near-field communication. NFC. Tap your phone against the NFC reader at the checkout counter. It's that easy. 3. Online payments. Use Favepay to make secure online purchases at participating websites. But wait, there's more. Favepay offers a ton of amazing benefits. Earn rewards. Many merchants offer exclusive deals and rewards to Favepay users. You can earn points, cashback, and even enjoy exclusive discounts. Increased security. Favepay utilizes advanced security features to protect your financial information, giving you peace of mind. Convenience. Say goodbye to bulky wallets and hello to a streamlined payment experience. Favepay makes paying for anything a breeze. Ready to experience the Favepay revolution? Download the app today and start enjoying the convenience and rewards. You won't regret it. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time. Happy spending.